Okay, this is the part 2 of the video on how to use the baler machine correctly. Okay, as you see, the machine's already telling you how the cardboard's supposed to go inside. So the best way is to cut the cardboard so it could fit correctly inside, or fold the cardboard. You can make pieces like this. Okay, just kind of swag them around like this, you know, so they're nice and neat inside of the machine. Okay, if you want to do a crappy job or a sloppy job, then put them however you want in there, and the bells are going to look hell of ugly. But if you want them real nice, then you pack the machine correctly. Okay, this one's almost done though. Okay, so like this one, right? Like this. Then I put, see right here? I'll put this other one right here. Okay. And I kind of go around the whole machine like that. See, now this one here. Okay. Then this one right here. Okay. Then I give them a little smash. Okay. It should go up by itself. And not, if not, you have to do it manually. Okay, so go up. It's almost done. I could probably put all that stack in there, you know, correctly though, you know. I'll make a third part and possibly a fourth part to show you how the pack's supposed to look once they are out of there. End of vlog.